In this video, I'll show you how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 using a keyboard and mouse on your PS5. So all you have to do is simply grab your wireless keyboard and mouse and connect them to your PS5. So let me just do that. And once you connect them, you should see an icon that appears at the top right corner, indicating that they have been connected. So let me connect my mouse. And there you go. Now, once you've connected your keyboard and mouse, you can simply select the mode that you'd like to play. So be it multiplayer, select that, and then launch any match that you'd like to play. And then choose the match that you'd like. And there you go. You can now start playing Call of Duty Black Ops 7 using your keyboard and mouse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.